Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Apple device to iPhone 13 Pro Max. You need to begin by opening App Store on both. Then click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. After that, you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now select Allow access to all photos in this pop-up, and then click on the best option for you in all the other ones. Now tap on Yes, I agree or No thanks. Click on Close this window. Tap on the best option for you in Newsletter pop-up. Choose OK, and then choose OK or Cancel if you disabled notifications. Then do exactly the same on Apple device. So, allow access to all photos, and then wherever you wish to. Now choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Apple device and Receive at the bottom of your iPhone 13 Pro Max. Then you can finally choose Select over here in all of those categories to choose all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you're ready, click on Send over here. I don't want to do that now, so I will go with only one photo, just for example. Click on Send then, and tap on Got It in the pop-up. Now finally we have the connection ways. We can input this key over here and connect using Receive button, or we can scan this QR code. If you want to do that, select the scanning icon next to input key, then tap on OK in this pop-up and point your device's camera at the QR code. Wait for it to focus. And now, after a while, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!